Okay, good morning everybody.
Morning, sir.
How are you this morning?
We are fine.
Fine, okay, good. So today we will start our lesson about the comparison. So I will show you something, okay? Please look at me. Behind me we have the motorcycle and car. So I ask you, which one is big between car and motorcycle?
Car, sir.
Car, so okay, good. So which one is small between motorcycle and car?
Motorcycle,
Motorcycle. Okay, student. Now I ask you to collect the another thing. Please collect the 5 things. 5 things. You can while you look for the thing, say it's big or small.
Just word.
Yeah,
Yes.
just what? Okay.
I think this is short. Okay. Short. Big. Tall. Good. And bad. Yeah. Bad. Beautiful. Okay. Beautiful. And this one is small. Small. And then the car is big. Small, big, and good. Okay.
Action.
Okay, done. Okay, what thing you found it?
The building.
Building. Oh.
And then tree. And then motorcycle.
Motorcycle and then?
Car. And tree.
What you look at? Which one the between building?
I think the building is shorter than the building.
Short. Okay. It's short. You have the point short, right?
Yes.
And then that's building.
Building is bad. Then this building is
Good.
taller.
Good. Okay. Thank you. All right. One other.
Another. I think the car
Car
is big and the motorcycle is small. Yes.
All right. Get up. Okay, so now please make a sentence to compare 2 things. Yeah, and I think like a car and motorcycle. How to make a sentence to compare that? Okay. Come. Motorcycle. Okay.
How many?
Mm-hmm.
Just 2.
Yeah. One more. The building.
The building is short.
Very short. Okay, thank you. Okay, let me check your sentence. Okay, right. Give me a pen. Number 1 is motorcycle. You want to say motorcycle smaller, right?
Yes.
Smaller. Oh, okay, it's more than car. So, when you want to say to motorcycle smaller than car, you have to comparative adjective. Comparative adjective like this. Yeah, small. Must be in place er. Yeah, so this became
Jadinya
smaller. Yes, good, smaller.
Yes, I understand.
Okay,
Yeah.
so the correct sentence is the motorcycle.
Is smaller
Yes, is smaller
than
than
car.
a car. A car, right? The focus 1. Right. So
And then
yeah.
we put is yes.
Yes, because it's the single. The single
yes,
noun. You
yeah,
have
yeah.
to be, yeah. It's, no.
I forget to
problem.
put is.
Okay, no problem. So now, please correct the number 2. Okay.
Number 2.
The adjective. Which one? Adjective.
Adjective is short.
Short. Okay.
Yes.
Every adjective you have to put add er. Is no
Ini name of the building.
Oh yeah. I mean. Okay. Good.
Is shorter than
Yeah. Shorter.
than
Building. The building.
the
Okay, good. Yeah, correct. Correct. The building A is shorter than the building B. Okay. So, do you understand how to make compare between two things?
Yes.
Alright? Okay. Say the another example.
Another example.
A tall. Okay, tall.
Tall.
Yeah, you get the adjective tall. How to make this?
Okay, I think
Okay, then.
the building is taller than the building.
Okay, good. The building A is taller than the building C. C is B, right? Okay, C. What about you?
The
Okay.
tree is higher than this tree.
That tree.
Yes,
That tree.
that tree.
This tree is higher
than
that
that
tree.
tree.
Okay, very good. So, I think it's still very understandable, right? Okay.
Hey!
Hey!
I really miss you. Okay. Hey, how are you? And you?
I'm fine too. You look so beautiful today.
You are so beautiful than me.
Oh, thank you. Hey, do you know about Miss Anita? Oh, this is look thinner than me.
Oh yeah?
Yes,
She is sick?
I don't know, but I need her last week, and then I saw she look so thinner than you.
I think she is sick, maybe.
Maybe yes, but I don't know. So, what do you want today?
Today, I have a project about a comparative. Can you help me?
Of course.
To set adjective of a comparison.
Where is it?
Maybe start from the building. Adjective. What adjective is suitable with the building? I think short. What do you think about short? Suitable or not? Yes.
Yes.
How about the building? Bad or good?
I think the building is so bad than this building. If you want to come in, I can join with you.
Okay.
This is a new building.
New building.
Yes.
What do you think? Where the building is very better?
This building is better than this building, I think.
Okay. And where is the building is very bad than between all the building?
Oh, maybe this building is so bad than another building.
Okay. So, what we learned today? What you conclude for our learning today? Come on.
About
You first.
comparison. Sir.
Comparison. All right. How to make a sentence comparison? Do you still remember that?
Just now, I learned about differences or comparison between the car and the motorcycle. The car is bigger than the motorcycle, and the motorcycle is smaller than the car.
So when you want to make a sentence, comparative sentence, you must be a comparative adjective.
Yes.
Okay, like small is smaller, big bigger.
Bigger.
Okay, do you understand? So if you want to compare about all things, among of the motorcycle and a car, what the biggest?
Because it's the car.
Yeah,
The car.
So hey, why you so late today?
I'm late, sir, because
Why?
I got up late.
Oh
Today.
my God, you missed my teaching today.
Yes, 5 minutes more, sir.
Yes.
Yes, please tell me about the material today.
Oh, okay.
Don't let me lose the material.
I told you short, right? Okay. Today we will learn about the comparative or comparison.
Yeah.
Do you understand comparison?
I don't know.
You can compare in two things.
Two things.
Yeah, like you and me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so when you want to say, you have to use the adjective comparative.
What is adjective, sir?
Adjective comparative like this. Small can be smaller. It means
I don't know, sir.
smaller.
Can you show me the?
Yeah, like this. Okay, it's paper, right?
Yes, right.
Which one is the bigger than this?
This one.
This one is bigger. Okay,
Yes.
see. This paper is bigger than this.
Kertas ini lebih besar daripada kertas ini.
Okay. It's
Mobil.
yeah.
Mobil lebih
Car.
besar daripada sepeda motor.
Okay. How to say
Mobil.
that?
Car.
Car.
Car,
Yeah,
eh?
Car.
Okay.
Is,
Car.
is
Using is.
yeah
Is.
bigger.
Is bigger. What does it mean
Big.
bigger? Besar.
Big.
Oh.
So
yeah.
when you compare, you must say bigger.
Bigger.
Okay,
Okay.
bigger.
The car or a car is bigger
Then
than. Eh?
then
What does it mean then, sir?
Daripada.
Daripada. Okay. The car is bigger than motorcycle.
Alright, good. You clever student.
Oh my God! So thank you very much. Yes. Yeah,
Okay,
I know
so
the
you understand,
material.
right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So your friend is very clever today, or
Yeah.
smart. So he understand our learning today. Okay. I think enough, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for attention today. We will make a next meeting, inshallah. So I see.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Directed by Mr. Tapin.